Yeah, hard enough from me really hard, bro. Alright, bum. Enough get a youth no fortunate. Like even me, you see me, I would have said I have a father. Or you know what I mean, couple people around me dog. Mother seeing me would have blessed me with a thing if me not have it. You see me? Cause a man dog, you can't too big if I get support same way. You get me? Everyone, rich or poor, need support. But bro, you have some real unfortunate people out there, bro. Some youth to dog where people look down upon and say them are rough and them no wanna work and them no this and that. But some people not understand the meaning of confident, brother. When a person have such thing, dog, now have confident within themselves, bro, you lose, dog. And enough of we are live that way there because we get shamed from a younger age or grow up, dog, and we not have much support around we. I tell we say we can do it. So it's a lonely journey and it's a rough battle, brother. Think about some youth who live in a ghetto right now, brother. When I have a father dead, our father in prison from a longer while, dog. You see me? Because a gun was our only film option, so either I'm dead now or I'm there in prison, bro. Our circumstances him couldn't get to see the youth because him there for runway. You get me? All of that. Think about that. You grew up now, mother not have time for him because his mother probably have 6 pitney, 5 pitney, so she have to out there also that, so she not have the time. Grandmother live a east, west, north, so he dog have to back and forth from his mother too. You think about them thing the dog. Now for your youth when a strong minded dog, cause every youth in the world out there I got have a strong mind for know say yo, me not have a father, I got try make it for mommy and no bro. The community where you're coming from have a big influence on your life also. You see me? That can play a major role. And if me say if you're not strong minded, first thing will come to your mind because our streets are gonna take you over now, you know. Our streets are gonna be your home and your family at this point, you know, bro. You see me, a nigga them out in the road are gonna be your friend. Them you gonna call your blood. So if anything for goes, yeah, I gotta do it. You get me? And yeah, I gotta become a lover for crime, brother, over time. If you once you start do it and you realize yo, yeah, do things and you now get catch and yeah, make a piece of food and you have a strap and few BC and like your ways and like your move cause then say you're a gangster. So but where you gonna end up, dog? Dead. But most people not see it your struggle within your heart, dog, your mind. You not have no support around. You not have nobody to tell you say, yo, you know me love you. You not have nobody to hug you. You not have none of that. The only thing you have to pray, dog, a gun, dog. You see me? Only thing you have to pray a gun and drugs, bro. And if you not find nobody within that space of time there, show you say, yo, love really no. Yeah, nah, I got have none. And no matter what people are tell us, say, brother, if God not find you and touch you and show you say, yo, me have you covered, man. You're just gonna be a lonely soldier out there, dog. Till dog name your food or you just wait away from. You see me? But I always a pray for you with them, dog. No joke because me know the journey rough as a youth, as a struggler myself.